Hi, I'm Andrew with Unity Homes. We're at a trad here in Hollis, New Hampshire. There's a bit of DNA that runs through every Unity home that we produce, so you can see a lot of continuity in the homes we're building. But each platform has a few things that differentiate itself from another platform that make it unique in its own respect. Here in the trad specifically, we could point to this open lofted space that's part of our standard offerings that really brighten up this area and allow for a lot of natural light to come in here. Paired with the timber frames, it makes a great space. So another defining characteristic of the trad is that it has a lot of exposed timbers, and these aren't just aesthetic, they are integral to the support of the house. So these timbers right here are supporting the second floor, and the timbers are carried up throughout the second floor to support the roof system. So not only is it important for the structure of the home, but also offers a nice visual both here on the second floor. So up here on the second floor, you can see that the timber structure is carried through. Coupled with the open to below, it makes a really nice area, and the vaulted space makes it feel very light and airy as the downstairs did. It's segueing into a division of the bedrooms, which the ridgeline carries. The spaciousness of the second floor can be attributed to two factors, both the Unity roof panel that segues into a dormer on either side, and that is supported by the second floor timbers, again acting as the main structure of the home, carrying the load from the roof, so none of the interior walls are load bearing. All of that is carried through the timber on the second floor and first floor.